Shanghai Wanway Digital Technology Company Limited, established in 2012, is a leading designer and manufacturer of premium tracking and automotive imaging solutions. Headquartered in Shanghai with convenient logistics and global reach, we specialize in the research, development, production, sale and after-sales service of GPS trackers, pet trackers, dashcams and related IoT devices. Wanway-affiliated manufacturer combine industrial-grade manufacturing, rigorous quality management, and a customer-centric service model. Wanway has built a reputation for reliability, precision, and innovative engineering. Our vertically integrated production enables strict component control, prototyping, and scalable sample customization, supporting both OEM and ODM partnerships for clients requiring bespoke hardware and firmware solutions. We maintain an uncompromising compliance and safety program and hold ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, CE FCC, RoHS UN 38.3, MADS, TAC, UKCA and Anatel certifications to assure global market entry and product safety. Serving distributors and enterprise customers across China and internationally, our experienced technical team provides end-to-end project support from specification through testing, validation, and production. Dedicated to elevating brand value through premium materials, meticulous assembly, and thoughtful user experience, design Wanway combines aesthetic refinement with robust industrial performance. Committed to continuous innovation, sustainable manufacturing, responsive customer care, we welcome collaboration and invite you to contact us to discuss requirements, partnership opportunities, or solutions. Driven by user experience philosophy, Wanway Company positions itself as a trusted partner in premium intelligent hardware solutions.